The sun is super bright. What a great intro. We are going to see 2 steam engines.
Riding in Northern 2102 plus 425.
We're gonna chase it, so we'll see ya in a moment. So we're going to Pottsville to meet our buddy Tyler, and he's really into trains. We're gonna carpool to Port Clinton. I'm so excited about this. This is the type of stuff that I personally love to do. Like, I love seeing real trains in real life in the wild. This is so fun for me. I love chasing. I love seeing the real stuff.
For some reason, I didn't hear my alarm clock. I was like fast asleep. Rolled out of bed at like 5.
I said to Corey last night, should we set up a backup alarm just in case you sleep past the alarm? It's like, no. I'm all excited. I got a video to edit.
I have no idea what happened.
Hey, so we are here at our first stop. We decided not to do Port Clinton because we should have been there at like 7 this morning. But right here are the tracks that I showed you. And they're coming from that way. So just trying to figure out the shot. I think we still have like a good half hour till the train will come through here. He's so bright with that yellow shirt on in the sun.
I feel bright. It's really sunny today, like sunnier
Yeah.
than ever. Yeah, it's really peaceful back here. It's nice.
This is a nice spot. We decided not to do Port Clinton, like I said, because
It's not peaceful there.
we should have been there at like 7 a.m.
so scared. I was right there and I'm looking at this thing.
Okay guys, we just saw it go by and it is so cool when you can hear the vibration in the ground. You can feel it through your feet. It was epic. On to the next stop.
So much traffic, so many people from out of state, all this coming to see these engines. Crazy, wasn't it?
Yeah, I mean, it was heavily promoted, so it makes sense that people from Delaware, was Missouri one, like Jersey, New York, so many like out of state people came in to see it, and it makes sense. It was in like, you know, some magazines and different places, but it was awesome. Got to talk to some people, but more importantly, saw some trains.
Yep, we sure did. Double header steam engine. Like, I think it was the first time since the 80s they did that, so that was really cool to see.
They had 2 diesels going behind in case there was issues.
Right.
And they were the newer schemed ones that I didn't see yet in person, so I was super excited. They were gray, white, and black, I believe.
Yeah, we're so excited.
Insert shot here.